Hey, what's up everybody? Hey, Ryan on Mud asked for some measurements. He goes by BlueHawk. I thought I would just take a quick video because I'm pretty tired and I'm not sure I can read the tape measure too accurately. This is a 1978 Toyota Land Cruiser that's a little modified. It's got a 6.2 liter LS engine underneath the hood with an NB 4500 transmission and an Atlas 4-speed transfer case behind that. Coilover suspension with King coilover shocks, 3-link front, 4-link rear, and it's packaged in there pretty tight, but it works pretty well. Ryan was wondering how my engine clearances are. You can stop laughing. I'm gonna go up underneath it and take some shots of it, but the first thing he wanted to know was what my rocker panel is. It looks like it's at about 28.5 roughly. Depending on where I put the camera. It could be 28, could be 29. It actually looks like 28.5. Here's my frame. And it is about 23 and 3/4. See, that's why I took the video. Looks like the bottom of my floor is approximately maybe 31 3/4. It looks like the left side valve cover is approximately 2.5 inches away from. Alright, I've got the tape measure against the back of the firewall, and the back of the head on the left side is 2.5 inches. Most of you will probably just want to see the Land Cruiser. So here it is. It's got a DeWitt's radiator. It's a little bit wider than the factory radiator. I've been able to fit the AC condenser up front. That's all for now. Probably gonna go up and hit Wheeler Lake this weekend, so we'll actually have a chance to get some fresh mud on it, and then maybe I'll wash it. I don't know, maybe I won't.